affect the next runs for both teams.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And as early as merong kagad press and defense na pinapakita ang mga naka-yellow shirts. Tingnan natin kung na si Tapis slowly crossing the half-court line. Muntik na maagawan, but naagawan na nga. Ayan na si Orijola. Gives the ball to Nabo. And scores for 2.
Grabe ang depensa at opensa ng Town of Gold na Paracale against Kapalonga. Ito na si Tapis. Attacking the key against 3. Quick pass inside. Pump fakes using the board. That missed the shot.
Ayan na si Osea. Binigay kay Tapis. No good. Rebound na Orijola. Gives the ball to Jeff Viernes. Ayan na si Viernes. 1-on-1 against Tapis. Viernes looking for his teammates. Lobs it up to Manawa against but misses the shot. Sayang nun, partner.
Sayang, napagandang leadership and puso ang pinapakita ni Jeff Viernes.
Tapis, short jumper. No good. Outlets to Nabo. But there is Tapis to recover the possession. Gives the ball to Sabocor for 3. Tapis crosses over. Lefty layup. Misses the shot. And finally, a score. And from Miles Paitan, this is the first bucket of Team Kapalonga. And here's Jeff Viernes crossing the half-court line. Nabo, short jumper. In and out. Rebound ni Orijola. Skyhook misses the shot. And ang bola mapupunta sa mga naka-gray shirts.
Tama. And Team Kapalonga has to watch out against this Paitan kasi grabe yung skill na pinakita niya din on his first outing. A very wide man with a big physique.
And nasa Marilao, steals the ball. Gives the ball to Jeff Viernes. Bounce it up to Marilao and attacks using the glass. And scores. And the score is 10-2 in favor of Paracale with 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Tapos now, dribbling the ball. Lobs it to the side. Heavily guarded si Morao at naagawan.
And si Nabo, what a fake, partner, and using the glass again.
Pwede na yung ilista, Sir Jan.
Yes. Paracale is on a mission right now. Grabe. Despite lamang na sila. And si Reola using the left hand and scores again.
Parang they're not here just to win. No? They are here to destroy their opponent.
Ayan na si Tapis. It is an 8-point lead. Tapis for 3. No good, pero nakuha ni Marilao ang bola. Marilao is rushing. Back pass, kaso si Osea nakita. Ayan na si Rejola. Gives the ball to Nabo again and scores.
Grabe ang bilis ng steal. Kanina pa to si Orijola.
Kaya nga, partner, talaga very aggressive. And pagdating naman sa scoring, si Nabo talaga yung mga recipients ng mga passes. Laba. Ayan na. Number 16 na si Miles Paitan misses the shot. Marilao secures the possession. Gives the ball to Jeff Viernes against Tapis. Crosses over. Skyjacking. Mintis yung tira. Tapis. Gives the ball to Morao. No good. Marilao secures the rebound. 3 against 2. Nabo. Lobs it up to Jeff. What a touch pass kay Danny Marilao and scores.
Grabe namang connection yun ng tatlo.
Tapis for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Marilao. Viernes dribbling the ball. Looking for a teammate. Drops it up to Nabo again.
Jeff Viernes showing us his handles and court awareness.
Grabe, partner. We have 4 minutes and 30 seconds pero nasa 20-point mark na. And what a block by Nabo. Nasa 20-point mark na ang Paracale. Viernes stops and pops for 3. No good. Tap by Nabo. Tapis is ahead. Gives the ball to Morao and scores for 2.
A very much needed point on their side.
Yan na si Osea with a steal. Gives the ball to Tapis. Tapis stops. Floater by Morao misses the shot. What a defense by Osea. Grabe yung courage ng isang Osea guarding Danny Marilao despite the height, pero talagang nandun siya para labanan. Ayan na.
Tama, no, there's an obvious height disadvantage on the side of Kapalonga. So tingnan natin, no, how will they turn this unfavorable situation, no, in their favor. Kasi last outing nila, Sir John, no, they've effectively running and gunning, no, ang bibilis nila, and yung mga shooters nila outside very effective. Yun nga lang, no, sabi mo nga, very heartbreaking yung defeat nila kasi nakambak sila on the last few minutes of the game.
And yun na nga, the 3-point bomb misses the shot. Paitan. Ayan na si Morales. Kicks it out to number 9 na si Andre Paddy, misses the shot. What a shot by Bugtong, partner, challenging the defense of Paitan.
Dwayne Wade is in the house.
Kaya nga. What a 3-point bomb, a much-needed 3 on the part of Ari Sabukor. And medyo gumaganda na rin ang flow ng opensa ng Kapalonga. But still, alam naman si Jeff Biernes, very control. Kumbaga, he's very talented pagdating sa paganyang and he answers back with the booming 3.
Very calmly.
Yes,
sinks the basket.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang kalmadong-kalmado. Once na tinawid niya yung bola, hinahanap yung mga kampi, and pag hindi, that is the time he can take his shot and make it. Yun na si Sabukor. Misses again the shot. Marilao secures the possession. Viernes, I guess he's feeling it. Back-to-back trays on the part of Jeff Viernes.
Sulit na sulit ang isang Jeff Viernes. So I think this is his first outing.
Yes, here sa ating liga. And but yung aking kaibigan told me that he is a suki here in Camarines Norte. So this is not new kay Jeff Viernes dahil nga dito lagi siyang naglalaro as guest or import dito sa Cam Norte.
Alright, tingnan natin yung mga kabawi. Itong Team Kapalonga.
Kaya si Paitan loses the ball. What a shot again by Bugtong. Miss the shot. Ayan na. Pada misses again. Ayan na si Olit. Binigay kay Sabukor, but mintis yung tira. Nakuha yung number 18 ni Ismael Manawag. Manawag rather ang rebound, and na-foul siya. And ang possession mapupunta pa rin sa mga naka-yellow shirts. Partner, ayan na. Dami na pumapasok pa sa ating menu, pati sa ating Facebook Live. Marami nanonood. Siguro, I guess, para abangan nga si Jeff Viernes kasi alam nila this point guard missing the 3-point bomb. Marilao with the fake. Marilao up and under. What a shot, partner.
Grabe. Grabe. Haba. Ayan, mukhang this is not good development on the side of Kapalonga. They're still struggling to find an opportunity for them to score.
And yun na nga.
And now, Sabukor throws the ball. And that's his second 3-pointer of the game. And Sabukor has been doing these 3-pointers for the past game as well, no? Very accurate ang tira niya. Ito naman, ang court general na si Viernes. Pinasa kay Bugtong, balik kay Viernes. Viernes looking for someone. But almost intercepted by Sabukor. Good thing, Viernes recovered. But with 5 seconds remaining, throws the ball into the air. But no good. Bugtong with a fadeaway shot. And misses. And another attempt by Manaog. Cleaning up the mess.
Grabe si Manaog, partner. Pulot-pulot lang ng mga loose balls. And pa-score lang. And yun na nga. Marami talaga manonood sa ating Facebook Live. Batiin ko na rin yung mga tao na nanonood sa bahay nila. Especially si Kat Sophie, si Meme Kebs, Ma'am C, Kuya Lan, Kuya Mio, Ate Jack, Franco, Juan Carlos. And sabi niya si beautiful mother Nicole daw who is watching live ngayon. Magandang hapon sa inyo and enjoy kayo sa panonood.
Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kung nanonood sa Facebook at YouTube channel natin, don't forget to like and subscribe Sa YouTube, meron tayong Ako Bicol Cup 2023 at sa Facebook naman, napapanood tayo sa FB page ng ating butihing congressman ni si Rep. Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Ito na, another 3-point attempt by Kapalonga, but Paitan was there to trying to clean up the mess but missed against the two Giants.
Ayan na si Biernes, stops and pops for 3. In and out, rebound ni Marilal against sa Bukor. Marilao misses again the shot. And what a top. And 12 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And nasa sa Bukor for 3. In and out, nakuha ni Jeff Biernes. 7 seconds remaining. 5. Jeff Biernes is rushing and nabitawan ng bola. And that ends our first quarter with a score of 12-14. Tama kayo, partner, hindi kayo namamalikmata. 12-14 is the score. What a high-scoring ball game on the part of Paracale. Talagang yung pressure defense nila ang nanaig during the first quarter.
Tama, no? I think they have to deal with the Giants, no? And try to shoot, no? Tinatry naman, no? Si Sabucor has been doing 3 points attempt, no? And after all, nakadalawa naman siya. But I think kailangan din ng katulong ni Paitan sa ilalim because he's been struggling alone against these two giants of Paracale. And of course, not to mention the good leadership of Jeff Biernes.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very evident talaga yung experience and yung leadership ng isang Jeff Biernes talaga nagdadala dito sa Paracale. Despite ang scoring is, I guess he scored 6 points pa lang, pero yung mga assist and yung mga leadership na ginagawa niya pagdating sa hardcourt ay kitang-kita.
Tama, no? And that's one of the reason why basketball is a very complex game, no? Hindi lang siya just a game of throwing the ball so that it will enter the basket. No? It's a very complex and multifaceted game. That's why very enjoying panoorin ang mga gantong laro, lalo na mga expert at mga magagaling ang mga players natin dito sa liga ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, Biernes again pointing, shoots the 3, misses the shot. Morales secures the possession, but there is Danny Marilao to intercept the pass. Ayan na si Marilao, drops it up to Pada, kicks it out to Marilao with 17 seconds. Biernes for 3. Kaboom!
He nailed it. And that's the third 3-pointer of Jeff Biernes.
Ayan na. Paddy against Pada. Grabe na si Paddy tsaka si Pada naglalaban, partner. Gives the ball. Olit attacks. Drops it off to number 8.
Na si Escocio.
Hindi, si Michael Mabesa, partner.
Sorry. Sa kabila pala yun.
Biernes is feeling it. Bang! Ay, nako, partner. If magpapatuloy ang ganyang klaseng depensa ng Kapalonga over Jeff Biernes, I guess talagang he will score 50 or more pagdating dito. Ayan na si Biernes is feeling it. Outlets to Bugtong. Up and under. Short rebound ni Mabesa. Olit against Bugtong, intercepted, and the ball will go to the Gray Shirts. Para sa ating mga late tuners, partner, yung mga naka-gray pala, yung naka-palongga, and yung mga naka-yellow, ang Paracale.
Tama, no? And I think Kapalonga has to implement an early guard, no, on Biernes to stop his dominance.
Tama. Talagang kailangan na.
Kailangan nila mag-box and 1.
Yes, pero I think kahit i-box in 1 mo, isang Jeff Biernes talaga, mahihirapan ka ba din. Ayan na si Mabesa. Step back by Jeff Biernes.
Speaking of partner, grabing sayaw yun.
Ayan na si Olit against Marilao. Drops it up to Paddy. Short jumper. Book it.
They have continued that play.
Ayan na si Bugtong. Corner 3. Short. Rebound. Ni Pada. Tinapik ni Olit.
And with that, we're down to 40-18.
Yes, this is just the second quarter, partner, with 8 minutes remaining, pero nasa 40 points na ang Paracale. Marilao, drops it up to Bugtong, gives the ball to Escocio, attacks. Grabe naman yung lakas ng Escocio, partner.
Grabe. Halimaw sa lakas.
Partner, butik nyo nang isama sa taas yung kanyang defender. So, I guess one of the veterans dito sa Team Paracale is si Escocio nga. Kumbaga, he is one of the stars pala dito sa Paracale, dito sa Camarines Norte. So talagang despite the age, talagang nandito pa rin sila. Ganyan kaganda ang ating liga. Nabibigyan talaga yung mga medyo patapos na ang karera sa basketball na revive na. Speaking of kahapon, naglaro na naman partner. One of the oldest players dito sa ating liga, 44 years old. Kahapon naglaro din sa Kamsur, partner. Meron din tayong naglaro with 50 years old doon, partner, si Remoto. Ayan na si Jeff Biernes against Olid Biernes. Mentis ang kanyang layup. Ayan na si Olid. Paddy, skies high, misses the shot. Escosio, Bogtong, gives the ball to Biernes. Biernes using the glass and scores for 2.
And there you have it. No, very high advantage of Paracale against Kapalonga.
Yung partner, nakatawa pa at tumatawa-tawa pa si Jeff Biernes sa lagay na yan, partner. Ayan na si Olid. Back pass kay Paddy with the spin. 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Gives the ball to Paitan. Misses the shot. And yun na nga. What a good defense is played on the part of Paracale.
Tama, no? And anyways, despite this advantage of Paracale, no, we have to understand that Kapalonga is also a very strong team. No, nagkataon lang that they are facing off no, a relatively stronger team no, so far, no, as of now in this game. But again, no, in their last and first outing, si Kapalonga has been dominating the game against Labo no, until such time na nakambak sila. No, they've been very effective in running and shooting in and out. No, pero ngayon medyo nahihirapan sila to destroy the wall that they are facing by the name of Paracale.
Yes, partner, para sa ating mga leading scorers na nakaraang quarter, si Nabo for Paracale, 10 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 steals. And on the part of Kapalonga naman, si Sabocor with 6 apiece and 1 rebound.
So tingnan natin how will that timeout affect the movement, the ball movement, and the offense and defense of Kapalonga. But magpapatuloy kaya ang pangmamayagpag ng Paracale o makakabawi ang Kapalonga? Tingnan natin, partner.
Yes, ayun na, Biernes loves it up to number 16 na si Fresnido sana, but what a pinpoint passing on the part of Osea, and si Morao finishes with that floater. And medyo na merong pressure defense na binibigay kay Jeff Biernes ang mga naka-gray shirts. Ayan na si Balsi, misses the shot. Ay, that was Jomar Alvarez pala, sorry. Abasolo, kicks it out to Biernes. Top of the key tray. No good. Nakuha ni Paitan ang bola.
And this is a good sign for Kapalonga.
Yes, they're being aggressive na pagdating sa kanilang depensa. Ayan na si Paitan. Drops it off, but sorry. Nag-fumble doon. Si Morao and Biernes. Binigay kay Alvarez. Escosio drops it off. Ay.
Well, that's a good foul because they are outnumbered 4 against 2, but they didn't secure the shot.
Yes, partner. Pero sabi nga nila, once you heard a whistle, talagang wala kang ibang pupuntahan kundi itira na. But on that case, di ko alam kung mabibigyan. Yes, nabigyan ng free throws. Kaya nga, di ba, pag foul talaga, ibaton mo na lang sa ring kahit wala ka sa forma.
Tama, no? At least there's still a chance.
Yes.
For a 3-point play.
Ayun na si Anjun Fresnido missing the first free throw. And partner, hapon pala. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon, but a good size crowd talaga. Ang ganda ng ating venue, partner, kung isipin mo. Sa tabing dagat to, partner. So, sa ating mga viewers on live, napakaganda sa labas nito. Dagat, kaya mapresko dito. Kanina medyo mainit, pero ngayon medyo pumapasok na yung hangin galing sa dagat. So, ang sarap dito sa Camarines Norte.
Tama, kaya punta na kayo dito kasi free admission ang ating mga laro.
Yes, it's for free. And meron tayong illegal pick na tinawag kay Escosio. Medyo naalog ng konti si Jobel Osea with that pick. Ikaw ba naman ang laki-laking tao ni Escosio. Pero kudos to Jobel Osea for sticking Jeff Biernes like a glue pagdating sa depensa.
Tama, no, he stand his ground there no matter what happened. And a good result came to their team.
Ayan na si Morao against Escosio. No good. Rebound ni Abasolo. Gives the ball to Biernes. Crossing the half-court line. Viernes for 3. No good. Rebound by Osea.
Osea trapped.
Yan na si Murao. Flies, drops it off to number 22, but misses the shot. Sayang naman nun, partner. Sa bukor, binibi. Buti na lang.
Nandun si Olit. What a pass!
And what a defense din na pinakita ni Olit.
Grabe. Cleaning up the mess a while ago and now defending hard.
Yes, yan na si Mabesa. Hihintay na makatawid ang bola. Yan na si Olit. May pick na galing kay Osea. Olit, one-on-one against Jeff Bernes. Olit spins. Escosio secures the possession. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Binigay kay Basilio. Grabe yung party. What a spin. Abasolo with the spin and he is in the free throw line right now to shoot 2.
Alright, and with 4 minutes and 38 seconds, Paracale has a 21-point lead against Kapalonga. An insurmountable lead but still manageable with the remaining time. So tingnan natin kung makakahabol ba El Kapalonga close the gap o magpapatuloy ang paglobo ng kayamanan ng Gold Town. So before that, puntahan muna natin ang report ni Cassandra kasama ang assistant coach ng Paracale. Cassandra, good afternoon.
Magandang hapon, Camarines Norte. I am Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporters for today's ball game. For our first game, we are watching teams from Team Kapalonga versus Paracale. And right now, we have the assistant coach of Team Paracale. Coach, magandang hapon po. Kumusta po kayo?
Okay naman.
Ayan, Coach, since nakasungkit na ng unang panalo ang team nyo at ngayon yung second game nyo, ano po ba yung goal nyo? Kailangan ba silang improvements or changes na gawin o kailangan lang nilang i-maintain yung sistema ng team?
Sa game, ang game plan namin, dagdagan pa namin yung sipag para dire-diretso lang yun Ganun lang, katulad nung dati. Pero namin yung depensa.
Ayan, Coach, we are currently live po. Baka may gusto kayong batian o pasalamatan. Go ahead po.
Pinapasalamatan ko yung boss namin, si Boss June Mitra, saka si Madam Cherry Taharo Mitra, si Ma'am Cherry, saka yung asawa po ng coach namin ni Nueva sa Sorsogon, saka yung girlfriend ko po, si Jerona. Yun lang po.
Ayan, thank you very much, Coach, and good luck to your team. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Cassandra. Napakagandang insight from the assistant coach. Patuloy lang yung sipag at paigtingin yung depensa para manalo.
Yes, yun na nga sinasabi nila. Pero kita ko talagang tuloy-tuloy pa ang kanilang magandang depensa dahil they're up by a big margin. Partner, grabe, the score is 24 to 47. Lamang na lamang pa with 3 minutes remaining sa ating first half. And partner, nakakatuwa talaga isipin na despite yung oras, andito yung mga tao nanonood to witness the games here ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Siyempre, this would not be possible kung wala ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico at siyempre yung Ako Bicol Party List and siyempre si Congressman Jill Bongalon who is watching. And magandang hapon sa inyong lahat and salamat talaga sa walang sawang suportang binibigay nyo sa aming liga.
And thank you so much po. And knowing, Sir Jan, that this is not the court of Paracale nor Kapalonga.
Yes.
Pumunta talaga sila dito. And of course, yung mga audience din natin from Jose Panganiban. So thank you for joining us here sa napakagandang bakbakan ng Paracale at Kapalonga.
Tama. Ayan na si Tapis. May pressure defense na naman. Hindi nakuha ni Paita ng bola. A turnover. Every time, about every possession na binibigay ng Paracale. Talagang ginugulat nila yung Kapalonga with that pressure defense. Kaya medyo nagugulat sila that forced turnovers dito sa mga naka-gray shirts.
Tama, they've been struggling very hard to attack the paint. That's why they've been throwing it from the outside.
Mintis ang tira ni Fresnido but he was tackled and fouled kaya mapupunta siya sa ating charity strive for 2.
And I think ito yung magiging problema ng Kapalonga din. Kanina pa sila nagkakaroon ng foul trouble. Four fouls, 4 team fouls in the early 7 minutes of their game. So, shout out ko na din, Sir John, yung mga estudyante ko dito sa Paracale, no? Si La Carmela Arnaldo at si Rick Valley that are watching. So, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Happy viewing po. Pakabait kayo kay Sir Angelo. Ayan na si Paddy. Gives the ball to Olit. Another turnover. Sayang nun, partner, talaga. Sayang. Maganda na ng flow ng Kapalonga, but yung turnovers talaga are killing them right now. So talagang they have to limit those turnovers. Pero ayan na si Alvarez, but misses the shot. Yun na nga, mabalik tayo. Kailangan nila mag-communicate ng maayos dahil talagang tingnan mo hanggang ngayon may pressure defense. So sabi nga ni Coach Paul Sepe, isa sa mga susi para maitawid ang magandang pressure defense is i-lessen yung dribbling. Pero ayan na naman. And yun na nga.
Easy points on the side of Kapalonga.
Abasolo.
And ito na naman, Coach John.
Ayan na si Fresnido. Parang nagra-round robin lang itong mga taga Paracale. Another steal, but Paddy using the glass. No good. Fresnido is ahead. 3 against 2. Medyo nanggigil at nabitawan ni Fresnido.
Napapatawa na lang si Paitan.
Yes.
This is a little disheartening, but there's still a hope for them, no?
Alvarez challenging the defense of Paitan. Scores for 2. Grabe yun, partner.
Ang poster yon.
And a much needed score on the part of Tapis and Paracale dahil yun na nga, medyo nababaon na sila ngayon. Lamang ang Paracale ng 30 points, partner.
Tama, no? Hopefully, that would be a momentum breaker for Paracale. And ito na nga. Another opportunity for Kapalonga to lessen the gap. That's 3 against the Giant. But still misses. Grabe ang pressure ng isang higante sa ilalim. But good thing they were able to secure it. With 1 minute remaining sa ating first half, tingnan natin.
Yan na si Manaog against the smaller Paddy. Manaog using Douglas. Grabe naman yung height advantage, partner. Over Paddy.
Very bulky.
Oo, yan na si Paitan. Loses the ball. Nakuha ni Tapis. Binigay kay Paddy for 3. No good. Manaog secures the rebound. And final na lang siya ng number 21 na si Jeric Olit. Talagang wala na siyang magawa doon.
Tama.
But to foul.
Grabe itong build ng isang Manaog. No, long and wide.
Tama ka dyan, partner. I guess feeling ko bata pa nga itong si Manaog eh.
Mga pagbumangga, giba talaga.
Ay, oo, partner.
So yan, again, no, pa-like and share ng ating live sa FB page ni Rep Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Kung gusto niyo naman ng mas malinaw na coverage, mapapanood din tayo sa Ako Bicol Cup 2023 YouTube channel. And meron din tayong TikTok for our highlights. That's Ako Bicol Cup 2023.
Yun na, nandito na tayo sa ating 30-second mark in the end 1 galing kay Paitan. Miles challenging the defense of Escocio. Bibihira lang mangyari. Partner yung kanyang Euro step. Magandang depensa din na pinakita ni Escocio pero talagang sumabit siya, and now si Paitan has a chance to complete his 3-point play but misses the 3-point play. Ayan na si Nabo kanina who started the scoring. What a pass, partner. Paitan with the rebound. Binigay kay number 32 na si Ari Sabukor, but yun na nga, turnover, shot clock is off.
Ito na. Paracale with probably the last possession for the first half. Escocio.
Drop pass kay Nabo. And Nabo, I guess, is the leading scorer for Paracale. And Jeff Bernes. And si Tapis crossing the half-court line. Olit for 3. Short on that. Na rebound ng Paracale. And ladies and gentlemen, that ends our first half with the score of 30-60. A whopping 30-point lead on the part of Paracale. What a game, partner. Despite the lead, pero lamang na lamang pa rin ang mga tao dito dahil nag-enjoy sila mapakita ang isang Jeff Bernes and yung Paracale, syempre yung Kapalonga din. And itong larong ito ay sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Magbabalik po kami.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa Gabos.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Alright, good afternoon once again mga kasurog. Welcome sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2023 live here sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium And for the second half, you're watching Kapalonga versus Paracale. This is again Angela Espinacilla at kasama ko ang aking Lodi na si Wadi Jan Bachiller.
Yan na, salamat sa iyo partner. And what a first half. Medyo hindi maganda naging outcome ng Kapalonga during the first half. Kaya tingnan natin kung ngayong second half kung talagang kaya ng tapatan nila ang pressure defense ng Paracale sa ating third quarter.
Tama, tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa nila during the halftime break.
Ayan na, si Osea loses the ball. Nakuha ni Danny Marilao, gives the ball to Viernes. Ayan na si Viernes against Osea. Cross court kay Jomar Alvarez, but ayan na si Nabo again. Grabe itong partner si John Nabo. Always on right place at the right time. Laging kapag may mga loose balls nandun siya, pupulutin yung mga garbage points. And I guess he has 16 points right now.
Tama, very good observation and very pinpoint yung mga shooting niya.
Osea gives the ball to Morao with a teardrop.
Ito na, Viernes back to the playing court.
Lobs it up to Marilao, but misses the shot. Medyo nasaktan si Danny Marilao doon. Paddy. No good. Tap by Osea. Morales misses the shot. Escocio gives the ball to Jeff Viernes. Ayan na si Viernes. Heavily guarded by Jubel Osea. Cross court. Escocio tinignan ng defender and a block by Morao. What a good defense on the part of Morao. And what a sequence kanina. Magandang defense ang pinakita despite na una na si Escocio sa itaas at hinabol na lang ni Lawrence Morao. And what a block for him. And I guess sana tuloy-tuloy na ang magandang depensa yung napapakita ng Kapalonga para makadikit sila sa larong ito.
Tama, no? And even Nabo was rejected with an opportunity for them, no, to clean up the mess. Dito na nga, turnover.
Ayan na. Morao, short jumper. Misses the shot. Marilao secures the rebound. Binigay kay Jeff Viernes. Ayan na, Viernes gives the ball to Nabo with the fake pero na-foul siya ng number 8 na si Michael Mabesa, and medyo aksidente yung pagka-foul kaya medyo in-acknowledge siya kagad dahil alam niyang na-foul na kagad yung kanyang player.
Tama, no? But ayun na nga, good defense ang pinapakita din ngayon ng Kapalonga. Medyo nag-struggle na inside the paint itong team ng Paracale.
Yes, tama ka dyan as early as ngayon with 7 minutes. Medyo inaalat din sa scoring kasi mga point blank range ang namimintes ng Paracale. We'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano ang makapakita ang Kapalonga right now. Ayan na si Morales attacking Escocio. Morao again with the rebound. Here is Jeff Viernes. Outlets to Marilao. Binigay kay Nabo and he was fouled by Osea.
Grabe naman yun, no? Despite having the foul, Osea was running left and right.
Tama,
just to help the weak side. Pero yun na nga, medyo na-foul niya dun si Nabo.
And hinabol niya pa ang defender kanina. Nandito siya sa baba. Tapos dire-diretso sa doon. And siya nakapakommit ng foul. But still, kudos to this guy talaga. Despite the height na maliit siya. Pero lumalaban siya like a big man. So kudos to you, Jobel Osea.
Tama. Tingnan natin if Nabo will convert that foul into 2 easy points. With that, he sinked the first one.
The partner, I like the attitude of Jeff Viernes. Talagang kahit sa dead ball situation, tinuturuan niya yung kanyang mga teammates, nililid niya. Ganoon naman talaga ang isang magandang player talaga. Kumbaga, despite nararating niya, pero still, he is very down to earth pagdating sa kanyang mga teammates.
Tama. Maximizing the time to communicate.
Traveling on the part of Mabesa, talagang nandilim yung paligid niya nung sinalubong siya ni Danny Marilao. And yun na nga, grabe, napahanip ang aking ma'am. Hi Ma'am Joanne Bustos. Salamat sa panonood. And yun na si Escocio with the offensive rebound. And wala nang nagawa si Mabesa doon, kundi foul na lang talaga dahil napakalapit na sa ring.
Si
It's the
Escocio.
other way around pala. Naisa ni Mabesa si Escocio that time.
Tama, partner. Medyo natukudan ng isang higanteng Escocio si Mabesa doon.
Tama. And ayan na. The score is 32-64. Lamang pa po ang Paracale. No good. Rebound ni Jeff Biernes. Yan na si Jeff Biernes crossing the half-court line. Lobs it up to Marilao. Grabe partner ang connection ng dalawa. Nakatalikod si Danny Marilao. Pero alam na ni Jeff Biernes talaga kung saan ipapasa ang bola.
Tama.
Ayan na si Paitan against Escocio. Paitan. What a move, partner! Grabe.
Napakatapang na isang Paitan. Challenging the giant of Paracale. Ito talaga si Paitan. No, kailangan lang siguro ng isang Paitan ng katulong inside the paint. Kasi even in their last outing against Labo, no, parang medyo si Paitan lang yung umaatake sa loob.
Yes, tama ka dyan talaga. I guess this big boy is ready to compete kahit kanino kalaban nila. But yun, napakamot siya dahil mintis sa kanyang first free throw. Pero despite nga mintis yung free throw niya, pero nakita mo yung fire in his eyes talaga to compete. Despite yung mga big names na nandito sa Paracale, pero still, andyan siya.
Tama.
Para lumaban.
He knows his role, no? He's the center and he will do what a center must do.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan na si Marilao. Crosses over, pinaul ni Paitan. And end one on the part of Danny Marilao.
Masyado natin nabati, Sir John.
Pero still, si Paitan stood this ground talaga. Hinawakan niya, hindi siya nabangga basta-basta ni Danny Marilao. Pero we know Danny Marilao, he's a strong guy. Kaya tingnan nyo, naka-finish pa rin siya ng 3-point play.
Tama, even with that very awkward pause, he sink his 2-pointer. Ito na, Paitan being the ball handler now.
Sabocor. Kanina pa to si Sabocor. Umupo ko lang 3 points pero sinabo, ginantian kaagad. What a pass by Manaog. Very easy scoring on the part of Paracale. Ayan na si Bugtong. Ginugulo. Mabesa gives the ball to Paitan using the left hand. And what a shot, partner.
Paitan. Running and gunning.
Si Biernes dancing. Drops it up to. Grabe yung partner.
No look pass.
No look pass. On the part of Jeff Biernes. Papunta kay Nabo. And si Boss Joshua Carlolio is watching right now, boss. Punta ka na dito sa Cam Norte. And si Kobe Arevalo Pableo. Idol, salamat sa panonood. Pa-share na lang. Hi kay Miss Rasha who is watching. Hi sa'yo. And the score is 38-72. Nasa third quarter pa lang po tayo. And kung may oras kayo, the next game will be a good one. So punta kayo dito sa ating venue. If wala naman kayong oras, kagaya nun, pag nandito ka sa venue, kitang-kita mo, flesh and blood talaga yung mga 3-pointers and yung mga lambingan dito sa loob ng court. Kaya punta na kayo dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium. And napakaganda. After nyo manood ng laro, punta kayo dyan sa seaside. Misses the shot. Paitan is rushing. Paitan attacks. What a shot. A sorry miss. Marilao secures the possession. Gives the ball to Biernes. Biernes with a step back for Trey. No good.
Ito na, medyo mukhang napagod na si Paitan.
Oo. Parang
struggling to cross the half court now.
Yung dalawang Extra Rice Corporation. Medyo hinihingal na with the ayan na, bintis ang tira ni Mabesa. Here is Pada. Outlets to Biernes. Stops. What a pass kay Danny Marilao. And medyo kinakapos na talaga ng hangin itong Kapalonga. That is why they called a timeout para siguro to talk things over. And I guess magpahinga na rin dahil dito sa binibigay na bilis ng mga taga-Paracale. And Brother Joseph, magandang hapon sa iyo. And si Boss Ino Rivero is watching. Boss Ino! Ino, 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 And yun na nga, maraming nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat kasi nakakataba. Alam mo itong partner, meron lang konting kwento na parang itong Ako Bicol Cup nagbigay talaga ng maraming opportunities sa lahat. Hindi lang sa mga players na nag-retire na, nakabalik ulit. At siyempre sa kagaya kong mga gusto lang talaga maging analyst, commentator. As in, grabe yung nagbigay ng opportunity talaga dito. Di ko nga akalain na makakaupo dito sa panel. And yun na, maraming salamat talaga, lalo na kay Boss Ino Rivera, ang ating buting, Lloyd Rivera, ang ating buting commissioner talaga na always on hand pag dating dito sa ating liga. Pero si Murao talagang he is not stopping score. Yun na nga, talagang nagbibigay siya ng opportunity sa lahat. Yan na si Pada.
Paddy now.
Si Paddy binigay kay Murao. What a sorry pass kay Jeff Biernes. Outlets to number 18. Sayang nun partner. Sakto sana yung pasa at nabitawan ni Pada ang bola.
Ito na, medyo mahirap na itong kalamangan na ito. And also knowing na hindi na lang si Biernes yung babantayan nila. Kasi parang lahat na umaatake on the side of Paracale. Kumbaga nahawaan ng isang Biernes.
Sandingin pero kumakamada yung Biernes eh.
Tama.
Ayan na si Marilao.
Naisingit daw ito.
Ayan na si Bugtong sa ilalim. Short stab using the glass and scoring for 2. Ayan na, meron naman tayong pressure defense na ina-apply ang Paracale. So, naitawid ni Aris sa bukor kagad yung bola. Binigay kay Paddy. Oh, what a behind the back dribble attacks. Hey, but a bad pass, Murao. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Sa bukor for 3. No good. Rebound ni Marilao.
That's his favorite spot.
Yes, outlets to Jeff Biernes. What a no-look pass kay Biernes. Stinging 3. Shoots for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 13 si Lawrence Murao.
Tapis.
Scores for 2. Grabe, ang ganda.
Grabing airtime. What a fake.
Oo, ganda sana but he did not make the shot. Manaog is inside. Manaog operating and scores. Grabe yung partner, yung napaka-patient ng galaw na yon. And
Manaog showing that he is also the king of the rim.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayun na si Tapis. 4-3. No good. Pada secures the rebound. Pada is rushing. Gives the ball to Marilao. Flies and scores for 2.
Ang haba din ng isang Marilao.
Yes, yan na si Paddy. Tapis. This Tapis guy is a lone bright spot pero si Danny Marilao is ahead again. And very easy ang scoring pagdating sa Paracale. And on the Kapalonga side naman, hard-earned points talaga. Ayan na si Sabocor. For 3, I guess that is a 4th 3-point bomb ni Ari Sabocor talaga. One of the bright spots here. Very consistent pero si Jeff Biernes ginantehan kagad with the top of the key 3.
I think he did what he did last half din. No, parang sinampal niya ng 3-point after 3-point.
Yes. Tapis gives the ball to Olit. Sabocor with that set shot and back-to-back trays on the part of Sabocor.
And Biernes is asking for the
yes,
ball.
natama ka dyan. Nakita ko kagad. Jeff Biernes wants a show. Biernes misses the shot. Paddy secures the rebound. Gives the ball to Tapis. And meron tayong backcourt violation. Partner, nakikita ko the fire in the eyes of Jeff Biernes. Gusto niya i-entertain yung mga tao rito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium with that booming triple. Pero tingnan natin kung magkakaroon.
Tama. My guess, Sir Jan, no, I think he will ask for the ball once again. He wants a revenge and he will throw it from beyond the arc.
Yes,
and as I was saying, tinira niya na nga.
He is feeling it right now, partner.
Here comes Sabocor. Of course, accepting the challenge.
Sabocor against Manaog. Medyo lumaki na yung bantay niya. Ayan na si Osea. Gives the ball to Paddy with 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Osea looking for his teammates. Binangga ang isang brick wall na si Bugtong and a turnover. No, the ball possession will remain sa mga taga-Palonga. Paddy for 3. No good. Marilao.
Even the Giants can
okay.
dribble the ball.
Ayan na, Biernes. 4-3. No good. Rebound ni Manaog. And again, imposing his will inside is Manaog. Talagang mismatch pagdating sa ilalim. Itong si Murao over Manaog rather.
Hindi na nga doon nag-effort tumalon, Sir Jan, ng itong si Manaog. Parang he just stretch his foot and reach for the basket.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And partner, talaga kung papakita na ating poging director, cameraman ng nandito sa loob ng venue natin, makikita matugulat sila sa dami na rin ng tao talaga. Yan na si Sabocor, nasapal.
I think they're all waiting for an opportunity for a photo op sa isang Jeff Biernes.
Yes, and that ends our third quarter with the score of 56-90. Lamang pa rin po ang Paracale, but maganda na naging flow ng opensa ng Kapalonga, pero mas maganda pa ang pinakita ng Paracale right now.
Tama na, they've been edging with a range of 34 points, so parang hindi bumababa sa 30 points yung kalamangan nila every end of the quarter. So kahit ano siguro nga sabihin ng coach ng Kapalonga na si Sir Michael Mabesa, medyo mahihirapan talaga itong mga players ng Kapalonga because of course first is the height disadvantage, no? They've been Paracale have been capitalizing on their strength on inside the paint, and at the same time uncontrollable din yung 3 points ni Biernes.
Yes, yun ang speaking of 3 points talaga, uncontrollable talaga. Grabe talaga, yun ang pumapatay ngayon sa Team Kapalonga, yung mga 3-point bombs ang binibitawan ni Jeff Biernes. Parang yung kaibigan ko na mahilig din bumitaw ng 3 points si Michael Asiado. I miss you, brother. And yun na nga, meron tayo nagpapashoutout dito mga kaibigan natin, si JR Atag, Joseph Almario, Boss, Patrick. Oy, Patrick. Oy, si paring Wawi, kamusta ka dyan? And si Joanne, Boss Lloyd, magandang hapon, who is watching now from Alaska. Magandang hapon sa iyo.
Yeah. Nasa Alaska yung kaka-birthday lang kahapon.
Oo, maraming salamat sa pagkain kahapon, boss.
At sa inumin.
Yes, si Rap, maraming hapon Rap sa mo, Mac Villanueva. Mabuhay kayo ang Kubicol Cup Team Camarote. Bahala. Si JJ Caspe who is watching. Grabe, isang karangalan po. Ayan na si Nabo. Kicks it out. Escosio with a follow-away jumper. No good. Tap. Ang bola mapupunta sa mga naka-gray shirts.
Tama. And balikan lang natin, Sir John, yung statistics from the past quarters. On the side of Kapalonga, Tapis and Sabocor has been scoring both with 14 points, no? And a combination of 6 rebounds in total. Sa side naman ng Paracale, leading sa score sheet natin si Biernes with 20 points, 2 rebounds, and 7 assists. And of course, no, pinantayan ito ni Nabo with 20 points and 3 rebounds and 2 steals.
What a shot by Olit, partner. Olit and Sabocor are the lone bright spots pagdating dito sa Kapalonga. Talagang sila pumupukol sa labas, and syempre nagpahinga na. Ayan, pinasok na ulit ang extra rice. Oh, what a steal! Kita mo, partner, pinakitaan tayo.
Nabati mo si Sir.
Paitan ka agad. And si Tapis.
The Hercules. That's the Hercules steal. Flexing his muscle after grabbing the ball from the opponent. Eto na. Nabo on the outside, being the court general in the absence of Biernes.
Gives the ball to Escosio. Drops it up to Nabo. 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Nabo crosses over, attacks, block by Paitan. Grabe. Ayan na. Si Olit is rushing. Olit challenging the defense. And sayang nun, partner. Grabe, what a foul. A foul na Basolo, pero yung grabe yung courage, yung mga high flyer. Nandito ngayon, and yun na nga, nag-high five sila. That is the spirit for you, despite alam naman natin na hindi naman talaga to kalaban, kundi kalaro. So magandang gesture ang pinakita ng both players after that collision sa itaas.
Tama, and I think Paitan now is well rested and ready to battle against the Giants.
Tama ka dyan.
Pinakitaan agad tayo, no? A steal in the block. And ito, Sir Jan, no, kitang-kita natin yung mixture ng ating audience. So, may
Yes.
matanda, may bata,
may mga couples and nanonood. And yung tatay ko, sabay-sabay na dito. Shoutout din daw siya. Hi Dad, magandang hapon. And si Andrew Gonzalez, Brian Reynosa, hoy, magtrabaho ka dyan. And here is a free throw para kay Olit. Southpaw, kaliwete din to partner si Olit, pero very efficient pagdating sa labas.
Tama, tingnan natin, no? This is their opportunity to downgrade the lead. No, 29 na lang.
Yes, 29 na lang as a high of partner, 30 plus. Yun na nga. And yan na si Fresnido, gives the ball to Nabo for 3. No good. Nakakuha ni Olit ang bola. Olit is rushing again. Olit against Nabo. Kicks it out. Misses a 3-point bomb, but there is Paitan para sa kanyang offensive rebound and a putback. Grabe naman yung partner. Talagang napakasipag ng aking one of the favorites dito sa ating tournament na si Paitan.
Tama, even in the most awkward position.
Yes, yan si Manawag. Misses the shot and nakakuha ni Fresnido ang bola and he was tacked and foul.
Parang diagonal na, Sir Jan, yung katawan niya doon. Ngunit ibuslo. Di ba yung tira na yun?
Hi, tama ka dyan. And si Boss AJ is watching. Hey, AJ, salamat sa panonood. And si Ma'am Hyde, hello po sa inyo. And kasama ko sa likod ng ating butihing commissioner na talaga nandito sa ating venue.
Galing Alaska, Sir Jan, lumipad at nag-teleport.
Yes, tama. And hi Rhea, shoutout sa iyo. And that free throw is hatid sa inyo ni Fresnido. Meron na naman tayo ang trapping defense na pinapakita. Pero they cross the half-court line na napakadali. And Samukor for 3 again. No good. But there is natapal si Paitan. Ayan na. Paitan again, he scores.
That's the spirit and the heart of a center. Paitan fighting against 3. And not backing down.
Yan na si John Nabo. Gives the ball to Fresnido. May pick. Short jumper. Nakuha.
At yan, nagpaalam ng ating commissioner. Babalik na daw siya ng Alaska. Nagte-teleport. And speaking of, this is a good development on the side of Kapalonga. Slowly, they are closing the gap as compared to the previous quarter. But time is the enemy, ika nga. Kasi 7 minuto na lang ang natitira.
Yes, 7 minuto na lang ang natitira. And parang napakabilis. Yan na si Paddy umatake with the spin. Short jumper. Misses the shot. But there is Manaog again with the rebound. Parang si Daniel Oyardo who is watching right now. Dan, Gang, magandang hapon. And si Boss Kang, magandang hapon sa iyo. And Tita Heights, Enahe. Hi po. And si Paitan sa ilalim, orchestrating. Misses the shot. Paitan again and Manaog is battling inside. Gives the ball to Alvarez. Fresnido is rushing. Nabo.
Ang puso ng isang Osea.
Grabe steal ni Osea. Gives the ball to Paitan. 1-on-1 against Manawag. What a drop pass kay Olit. Drop pass again to Paitan and scores for 2.
Grabe. Effort itong Paitan. Hanggang may oras, may pag-asa.
Yes, now watching si Joby Boy, Kuya Vic. Hi. Yan si Manaog. Gives the ball to Fresnido. Thinking 3. Outlets to Alvarez for 3. Kaboom! Grabe yun, partner. Kanina pa. Ang Paracale, yan si Paddy. Is rushing to Olit. With the finish. Grabe, naging exciting ang ating fourth quarter ngayon, partner, dahil pareho nagpa-pile up ang opensa nila sa Fresnido. What a crossover. Ayan, ulit si Alvarez. Back-to-back threes. No good. Olit secures the rebound. Olit is ahead. Binigay kay Paddy. Paddy loses the ball. And sayang yun, partner. It's an easy 2 na sana, but nabitawan ang bola.
Tama. Pero, yun na nga, sabi mo, very good observation, Sir Jan. I think they focused more on their offense rather than defense. Kaya they've been running and gunning the 2 sides of the court.
Tama, yan na si Fresnido. Lobs the ball to Alvarez. 14 seconds. Abasolo with the short jumper. Grabe na yung partner. What a shot. And meron tayong timeout na tinawag ang Kapalonga. Siguro, I guess, medyo malayo na with 5 minutes. But still, alam mo naman, yung sinasabi ko paulit-ulit na dapat yung kumpiyansa sa susunod na laro, madala ibaba lang nila yung lead. I guess that would be okay. But still, mas maganda kung manalo. Pero I guess the time is not on their side. So, kailangan ibaba lang nila ang kalamangan.
Tama, no? And again, no, very crucial yung points every game. Kasi in case na magkaroon ng tie, ito yung pinagbabasehan, no? The average points per game para makapasok sa quarterfinals.
Tama ka dyan, medyo lumapit kanina. Kaso back-to-back threes on the part of Jomar Alvarez. Parang yung kaibigan ko na si Homer Conde na mahilig mag 3 points sa loob at labas ng court. And batiin ko rin ang aking kaibigan na si Meloy. Was Meloy, ay si Mel, ay maray na hapon sa Indo. And it would be Kapalonga's ball with 16 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock. Yan na Paddy. Sabukor and Paddy nagagawan sa bola. Sabukor behind the back dribble kay Morales. Kaso too fancy in the part of Sabukor, hindi nakita. Pati yung kakampi niya napeke. And na si Alvarez attacking using the glass and scores for 2.
And now the gap is ballooning once again. But here comes Paitan.
What a shot by Morales. But yun na naman si Paitan sa ilalim. He was stripped. Ay na Fresnido, 3 against 1. Fresnido flies using the left hand.
And that plays our score for Paracale in a triple digit.
Yan na si Paddy. 1-on-1 against Fresnido. With 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Olit against Alvarez. Olit for 3. Kaboom!
Fresnido now with the ball.
Yes, yan na si Fresnido. Pinigay kay Manaog. Tunabo. No good.
Nabo has been missing his shots, no? Maybe the fatigue.
Yes, kung gaano kaswerte at kaganda ang opensa niya. Noong first half, medyo maalat na yung second half. Pero nagkukontribute naman siya on the other side on the depensa.
Tama. And with that, securing the score is Manaog once again.
Yes, si Paddy with that layup. Gandang layup nun, partner ni Paddy. Parang layup ng kaibigan ko na si Yanyanis Martinez na magaling mag-basketball. Hi sa'yo, Paddy and Alvin. Paddy, Mel, and si Bianca. Hi sa'yo. And yun na nga.
What a shot.
What a shot, partner. Yun na nga, sabi ko. Nagulat ako. Talaga sabi ko, shit, maganda na ng tira. What a shot.
And ito ang ating mga nagagandaan at
ay, tama,
audience.
Yan ang mga nagagandaan at nagpupugi ang nandito sa ating venue.
Nagagaling ang ating mga cameraman. Kuhang-kuha ang mga highlights ng laro at highlights ng audience.
Oo, kuhang-kuha. At yan na. The score is 74-107. The lead is still in Paracale side. Yan na si Morao. Against Sabasolo, gives the ball to Sabukor with 12 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock. Sabukor with a long three. No good. Rebound ni Morao. Short jumper. Book it.
And with that, Fresnido once again.
Yes, yan na si Fresnido. Heavily guarded ni Olit. Pero stolen ang bola. Yun na nga. Grabe talaga.
Puso pa rin ang pinapakita ng Paracale. Ng Kapalonga, sorry.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And maraming nagpapa-shoutout partner pero hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa pero nag-shoutout si Jody BFF. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Punta ka na dito sa venue. Inis sa Bukor. Gives the ball to Morao. Morao, short jumper. Back-to-back baskets on the part of Morao.
Mukhang na-enjoy kasi masyado ni Madam Jody yung celebration kahapon.
And si Elmer. Oh, Elmer, asan ka? Ayan na. Si Pada.
Si Pada at si Paddy.
Ayan na. Using the left hand. Estapis.
Manaog to Pada.
Against Tapis. Drops the ball to Nabo. Pinigay kay Alvarez for 3 again. No good. Manaog. Operating inside. Misses the shot. Ang bilis ni Tapis. Pero ayan na si Nabo, skying high, sinabayan ni Morales, and a putback slam. Grabe nun, partner.
Well, the foul was called there on Nabo, and I think the basket is not counted or i-replay. I think the call was, the foul was caught right before the act of shooting.
Oo.
So we'll throw 2 times. Tingnan natin kung may sisecure ito ni Nabo.
Nabo misses the first free throw.
Sa mga nanonood po sa ating live, no, stay tuned kasi meron pa tayong second game. No, very exciting matchup din ito. Labo versus Santa Elena.
Yes, partner. Lahat naman ang laro sa ating Ako Bicol Cup talaga very exciting kasi tama ka, narinig ko sa inyo nung kayo nag-cover ng games na these players talaga are the elite players of their team. Kumbaga, ito yung mga best of the best. So, talagang very interesting bawat laro. Ayan na si Morao attacking the defense of Manaoag. He was tackled and foul and will troop to the line. Yun na nga, mabalik tayo na these are the best of the best players ng kanilang mga munisipyo at syudad. So talagang maganda ang mga laro na hinahain nila sa atin. And syempre partner, yung Champions League na inaabangan natin, yung top 4 teams ng bawat probinsya maglalaban-laban para sa prestiyosong unang Champions League natin, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List.
Just by hearing that idea, no, na-excite ako masyado. Sino kaya ang pinakamagaling na munisipyo or syudad sa buong Bicol region?
Nagulat ako ng partner nung in-announce ni Congressman Saldico talaga nung during the championship dun sa Camarines Sur Lake. Talaga sabi ko, best of the best is yet to come. Kaya pakaabangan natin yan, and a short jumper pinakita ni Abasolo doon. I guess we are now sa ating nearing the twilight zone. Ayan na, si Alvarez Jomar waiting for his teammates. Binigay kay Manaog, wasting the clock. Manaog against the much smaller na si Morales. Manaog with a crossover. Kicks it out. Nga nasipada sa ilalim. 100. Ayan na, Tapis is rushing. But there is Murao to secure the possession.
And I think Paracale now will kill the time because this game is in the bag already for them.
Yes, it's a W in the part of Paracale. And wala pang talo Paracale partner dito sa ating liga. So, isa ito sa mga pinakakaabangang team dito sa ating Camarines Norte League. And si Jomar Alvarez hindi pa tapos magpaulan ng mga 3-pointers. Ayan si Nabo with the steal again. Nabo.
Paracale adding insult to the injury.
Kaya, ayan na. Mabesa instructing his teammates na talagang to settle down na lang and waste the clock kasi alam naman nila talaga na this game is not on their side. And si Murao misses the 3-point bomb. Outlets to Jomar Alvarez, talagang pukol pa ng pukol and tumawag pa ng timeout ang Kapalonga.
I think this is just to give the final words and the words of consolation for their players. And I think also an opportunity for the bench warmers to experience the league.
Yes.
Even for the last 32 seconds of the game.
Yung tama ka dyan, experiencing a league like this talaga is an honor for them talaga. Parang matagal na siguro nagkaroon ng malaking liga dito sa Bicol talaga. So, representing and be in a league like this is once in a lifetime partner. Kaya dapat give your best pag nandito ka sa ligang ito.
Tama. And of course, no, the fact that you've experienced playing against sa isang Jeff Viernes,
yes, tama,
palang
partner.
panalo na.
Yes, partner.
And ito na nga, we're just waiting for the formal and the final buzzer. They're congratulating each other. That's
yes,
sportsmanship. That's
Tama
what
ka
we
dyan,
promote
partner.
here.
We'll wait for the final buzzer and final score. Pero still, a wonderful game we have so far sa ating first game. And syempre, a total team effort on the part of Paracale, crushing Kapalonga. We've seen flashes of Jeff Viernes, Danny Marilao, and spearheading the offense ng Paracale noong first quarter, si Nabo. And talagang a total team effort on the part of Paracale, while on the Kapalonga side talaga medyo kinapos lang sila and naunahan. So talagang still, it's a good game sa ating first game.
Tama, Paracale. For the other teams, you have to watch out in the strength that they have under the rim. Mga Giants yung pinalabas nila in the first 2 quarters. And after exhausting the opponent, tsaka nila pinalabas yung mga runners nila. So napakagandang strategy ang ipinakita ng Team Paracale. But still, kudos to the team of Kapalonga for trying their best to fight against this monstrous strength of Paracale. And at the same time, the presence of the well-experienced player na si Jeff Viernes. So,
yes.
tingnan natin.
Well-experienced si Jeff Viernes and the steady presence of Danny Marilao talaga. Naging factor din pagdating sa ating laro ngayon.
And very exciting ball game ang paparating. Labo versus Santa Elena for our second game. So stay tuned lang sa mga nanonood. Paki-like, share, and subscribe ng ating mga videos ng Ako Bicol Cup. So napapanood po tayo sa FB page ni Congressman Saldico through Rep Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Live na live rin po tayo sa ating YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup 2023. So waiting na lang tayo sa player of the game kasi medyo well distributed yung puntos on the side of Paracale. So tingnan natin kung sino yung magiging overall best player ng larong ito. Paracale having a 2-0 on this eliminations round, while Kapalonga experiencing their second defeat in this round. So tingnan natin how will they come back for their third outing. And ito naman Paracale, will they continue their dominance o merong team na gigiba sa kanilang depensa?
Tama ka dyan. And while waiting for our kasurog best player of the ball game, I would like to take this opportunity talaga magpasalamat sa mga nanonood sa ating venue and sa ating live games and sa Facebook Live. Maraming salamat. And siyempre, bago natin ibigay yan, batiin ko ang aking mga brothers from Albay Basketball Community. Magandang hapon sa inyo mga kapatid. And ang aking mga constituents sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And syempre, ang dalawa kong anak, si Juan Carlos at si Franco, ay sa inyo.
And happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. At sa mga, kung may nanonood man na taga Sorsogon, abangan nyo po kami. So the third leg will be in Sorsogon.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Abangan natin yan. Abangan natin dahil yung mga kaibigan natin doon talagang sabi nila nag-aantay na sila at nag-prepare na dahil nga malapit na ang sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon leg.
Tama, a very exciting journey in Sorsogon. And of course, later on, the diretso ng Masbate at Catanduanes and the most awaited battle between the provinces. Dito lamang yan sa Ako Bicol Cup 2023. Ito na nga, kasama na ng ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra, ang kasurog player of the game. Cassandra, the floor is yours.
For our first game this afternoon, we have John Leon Nabo, jersey 22 from Team Paracale with 23 points, 4 rebounds, 2 steals, and 2 blocks as the Kasurog best player of the game. Wow, congratulations for being the Kasurog best player of the game and for your team's second win. With that, since nakasungkit na kayo ng 2 panalo, ano pa ba yung dapat naming abangan sa'yo at sa inyong team para sa mga upcoming games pa dito sa elimination round ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte?
Gagawin po namin lahat ng aming makakaya para po sa aming team. Para po makuha pa namin ang ikatlong panalo namin.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance.
Una-una po nagpapasalamat po ako sa taas at ibinigay sa amin ang aming ikalawang panalo. At sa mga teammates ko po, di ko po rin ito magagawang maging best player kung hindi rin po dahil sa kanila. Saka po kay nagpapasalamat din po ako sa nagpasakay sa akin sa motor, kay Kerdata po. Yun lamang po. Salamat po.
Ayan, thank you very much. And once again,
Salamat din po pala sa aming madam at boss na walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. Madam Cherry Bardata, Boss John Mitra, maraming salamat po. Kay Coach Alexander Nueva, Coach Ivan Cruz, salamat po. Yun lang.
Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations. That's the end of the first ball game. We will be back for the second and last game this afternoon. Thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte.